All right, this is Wanda. She has a very slender neck and shoulders, and that's what we're gonna start with. Lots of lint on her pieces, or maybe it's just that they're really showing up on this dark chocolate fabric. So as always, we're gonna line the straight edge at the bottom of the body up with the bottom edge of the block. And this isn't going to the bottom edge of the fabric. I can tell by feel that the batting doesn't actually go all the way to the edge. So I'm giving it a little space here. That'll be trimmed away. And Wanda also has a tail. This is one of the shorter, fatter tails in the pattern. You can use Wanda's tail on any of the other cats. It's not actually attached to the body, so it's like we're sitting next to Wanda. So you can put it this way, or you can put it this way. I think I'm gonna put it this way, but it is up to you. Give her a little bit of personality, whatever you would like. And then she's got a very wide head. There we go. Put one ear in. And another ear. And then her nose. And now she just gets a couple of eyes. There we go. And just so you can see, her tail could go this way. So this way her tail is more curling up toward herself. And this way I think she looks a little more cheerful. That's silly, but to me that looks like a little more of a cheerful cat pose. But both of them work. Both of them are ways that cats hold their tail, so play around with it. You can also play around with moving the ears in different spots or swapping them from side to side. Feel free to play with it. This is one of the blocks that really gives you a lot more room to play. You can tip her head more or to one side or the other. Just is very clearly defined on that neck. So play around with it.